Okie doke, guys, what's good? I just dropped the card. That's skills. It's 5 seconds into the freaking video. We got a unboxing for you today, and that is my new Thursday boots. Ordered a pair of the Captains in Tobacco when the boots or the warehouse sale went on. And to be quite honest, like it's got one little like fingernail right there, but other than that, I literally, on this boot, I can't see anything else. I can't see anything else that would be considered a blemish or a misstitch or any of that. This boot I already took out, obviously, because I had to shoot some B-roll. I am absolutely freaking pumped. I paid 150 US, so it came out to about 250 Canadian. And I went for the Captains because, well, I already have a pair of brogued cap toes, which are my Daytons. And so I wanted to get another pair of boots that were different from those. 365 degree Goodyear welt, which is freaking awesome. Comes with waxed round lacing, which is great because I'm tired of flat laces. I got these in tobacco because, well, it was the darker color, but I figure over time, with some balm and conditioning and all that fun stuff, it will lighten up, which is what I'm really looking forward to. From the pictures I've seen, these things patina beautifully, and that's exactly what I wanted. Now I'll probably end up buying another pair of Thursdays after the virus passes and I get back to work and all that, but as of right now, I am freaking excited about these. It's like when you walk into a boot shop, oh, it just smells like leather and beautifulness. So when you first get your box, it comes in this beautiful Thursday postage box. You open that up, and then inside you got the nice black box that you see sitting right next to me, and it's freaking great. It's got this really nice black tissue paper to make it look all fun. There's the card that I showed you at the beginning of the video, which is basically quality control, which is super cool. And when you get your boot, I'm just going to show you here because I don't want to film any more B-roll because I just want to put these on and wear them. You get it in this nice plastic bag, which keeps it protected. I wish they actually had shoe bags, but that being said, it's okay. So you take your boot out of the bag, clearly, and then you have the little sleeve thing that keeps the shaft all nice and normal and good. I'm stoked about these boots. 11.5 is what I bought because I don't know what to tell you. You really go on the website, grab a pair, because I am super pumped. This is kind of like a halfway mark between suede and leather, which I'm interested to see how it patinas. But the first thing I am doing before anything is I am going to grab my Renovateur and condition the crap out of these boots because they feel kind of dry and I feel like they could use it. So, yeah, that's before I actually wear them out the first time. So, the thing that I'm most excited about with these boots, one, I've been wanting a pair of Thursdays since I saw them on Alpha M many years ago when they first got going. But the fact that they have a cork, cork midsole, I think it's called. Basically, in between your outsole and the insole, there is a thing of cork or something like that. I'll have to look it up again, but I'm 90% sure it's cork, and it pretty much molds to your feet, so you get an insanely good fit. So I am super stoked about it. And quite frankly, even though this one looks like they used it for photos, I really don't care. It just means it's that much quicker to break it in, use it, all that good stuff. Anyway, guys, see you in the next video. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the video on Friday. So anyway, peace out, have a good one, and bada bing, bada boom.